here. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Who the hell would want to build a house all the way down here? You gotta be nuts.
Well, this somebody who's a real recluse.
Oh my God.
Yes.
All right, Rip, I'm recording this for you.
Awesome.
Comments, anyone? Well, the worst is over. The worst is over. Comment Cindy of anything you want to say. She can't even see. She's been laughing so hard. She's crying.
My stomach hurts.
Rip, comment.
This is nice and easy, but we gotta go back up the other
Oh
side
my
again.
God. I'm going to get out and
And then we
walk.
gotta go down there.
Oh my God. Here's Annette's thoughts. No fucking way. No fucking way.
Tell us how you really feel.
I have no other
Look at
words.
this beautiful house that's here, though.
Oh my God, that is beautiful.
Beautiful house.
Oh
My God. How do you get back to your house?
This is it.
Mountain
This is the
View.
Fishkill Correctional Facility.
Are you effing kidding me? All that?
This must be the house right here. This
No.
is the house, right?
No, it's not, because it's an A-frame house.
Oh my God.
Keep
but that
going.
is an A-frame. Look.
And
Wait. Yeah, but no, that is not it.
And they've got
Are
a
you
welcome
sure?
sign. And they
I'm
got a welcome
positive.
sign there. I think that somebody's playing a
Because
game.
it's
That's
at the dead end. It's a dead end.
That's what they said. It was at the.
It is at the end of the
You've
road.
got your gun with you.
No electric
You've got to
cars
leave it at the
today.
gate.
Leave your gate at your gun at the gate.
It says no firearms allowed.
Jeez. Mountain View Ave. This is an Ave. Does anyone see this? That is an avenue.
This guy.
Oh my God, I'm
this
running back
guy
to New
is playing.
Jersey.
And they got a
He's
boat
messing
there.
around with our head.
He is.
He's playing around here.
What is the?
Yeah, that's true.
See that's the driveway. You want to fucking bet it? I'm sorry, I'm swearing. That's the driveway. You want to bet? Oh my God, I'm out of here.
Well, we're going to see how good her turning
Oh
around
my
for her backing up
God.
capabilities are when she has the back wall.
Oh my God.
Oh, this is hilarious.
Oh my
I
God.
just can't even imagine who in their right mind would want to live out
I would
here.
love to
my
bring
God.
Jessica up here.
Oh yeah. She could tell us all about it.
Oh, yes.
Tell me all about
Oh,
it.
come on, Jesse.
Oh my God.
Oh, it gets nice.
Oh
here.
wait, look, there's a street sign. Is this like a joke?
This guy is having a very
There is
fun
a
time
street
with
sign,
people.
Pleasant Ave. That is funny. This is Pleasant Ave, all right? Oh my God. Okay,
Okay,
this is it. This is it. I recognize it from
Yeah.
the
I
picture.
honestly think we should just turn around and go right back out.
really.
No, we
Yeah,
came this
absolutely.
far. We came this far. We're looking.
Where's the main house?
That's it right there to your
That's
left.
it.
That's it.
This is the main house. This is the cottage house over here.
But where do you put horses?
Main house, cottage.
Okay, you know what, guys?
What?
We're really not going to waste our time.
No.
Yeah, you're right.
There's
Yeah,
no
come
way.
on, you can't put a horse back here.
Well, you would have to clear something.
Can you imagine trying to drive a trailer up or down that road with a horse in it?
Okay, I am never coming down this road again. Never. 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 Never coming. Any comments, Cindy? You're
Oh my
getting.
God, this is just unbelievable.
Wait, look, here's another sign. This guy
has
has all these signs. What does that say?
Portiondo Drive? I don't know.
Portiondo Drive.
Oh my God.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. No, thank
No,
you.
thank you.
Oh my
I've got a
God.
feeling they're going to sit on that house for an awful long time.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
sorry, you guys. You bought into the wrong place.
Oh my God.
Sorry, people.
No
How
way.
much do they want for this place?
Like
it's in there.
400,000. Well, now they all fell on the floor.
Well,
It might be easier to see
let
from.
me see.
Get a picture of that Pleasant Ave.
Wait, I can find it. Let me turn this off.